ụmụ ibe a sị na ọ ga-adịrị na mmanụ ụbọchị nke taa anyị gbabụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo ndị kwere n'ihe otu kwuru. A sị m ka m kene eke, kene orie, kene afọ, kene nkwọ, kene ndị mbụ, kene ndị egere na ndị ichie, kene ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo. A sị m na ọ ga-adịrị ụnụ mmanụ ụbọchị nke taata na anyị nwa bụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo, ndị agha si n'eluigwe bịa, ndị agha ji ama nke si n'igwe wee bịa. Anyị sị na ọ ga-adịrị ụnụ mma n'ụbọchị nke taata n'ebe ọ bụ na ụnụ nọbụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala ya mara ụnụ mma. Ụmụ ibe, dịka nsi wee na-ekwu na isiokwu anyị taa ga-abụ ihe gbasara ịkwa ozu. Gịnị bụ ịkwa ozu? Kedu ihe na-eme mmadụ na-akpa agwa na-adịghị mma n'ala Igbo, asị onye na-eme ka ozu na-akwaghị akwa? Gịnị mere ya? Nke izizi bụ na gịnị mere ala Igbo ji wee dị ka ọ dị? Kedu ihe mere ala Igbo? Ọ bụrụ otu a ka ala Igbo dị. Jee jụọ nne gị, jụọ nna gị, ọ bụ otu a ka ala Igbo dị na mbụ? Mba. A sị na a na-enwe obodo enwe, obodo adịghị ka obere ụgbọgụrụ. Ihe ọbụla na-eme n'ụwa nwere ihe na-eme ya, o nwere ihe na-eme na nkịtị. Kedu ihe mere ala Igbo ji wee dị ka ọ dị? Anyị nụrụ ọgụ 67. It's surprisingly that na 2021 we still complain. Anyị na ka na complain of 67 war. Anyị ka na-asịkwa na ndị ugwu na-eme anyị nka, ndị ugwu na-eme anyị nka. Ọ bụrụ ya bụ the issue. The issue bụ na ndị Igbo si na uche bụ akpa onye ọbụla ya nke ya. The meaning of government will govern your mind, to govern your mind, which is government to govern your mind. That is the meaning. You cannot say otherwise. Ịkwa ozu n'ala Igbo 1967, we lost millions of children, innocent soul, old women, old men, pregnant women. Anyị akwabeghị akwa. Anyị akwabeghị dị ozu. Because why? Kedu the source of the ke ihe butere dị ọgụ? Ke ihe butere dị ọgụ? That is the case. The question here bụ gịnị butere dị ọgụ? Ihe ọ bụla ịma butere dị ọgụ, say never again. In our politics, we have lies and deceit. In our family, we have lies and deceit. Everything we do, even business, ihe ọ bụla anyị na-eme, anyị ji asị buru ụzọ na ya. Anyị enweghị nta akara, no educational system. So all the normal, na mostly majority of our children, not all, is corrupt. And these children will end up in police officers, army officers, politicians, organization leaders. It's normal. So that's why we corrupt politicians, corrupt leaders, corrupt government, everything corrupt. Not because of people choose to corrupt. It's because of the system, educational system. I am working our Igbo traditional educational system, which is ntakara. That is not there. So that is where the source of the 67 war started. Because you cannot account of those people during the war. You don't know their pedigree and their background. Only person I am at that place bụ Ojukwu gụrụ akwụkwọ na England. You got to go. Ego eji wee mekwa declaration of the war kwa ego ndị England. Isi na fight England, but the pounds ego the freedom bụkwa ego British. You got to go. So it make no sense. How can you fight the same people, use their name as the money? What is it? Ego ijikwa na anụ ọgụ dịkwa na British Bank. So one of those things, you check ya ifu na there is miscalculation and misunderstanding there. You got to go. So now this thing eat a lot of souls. Okay, anyị nwa na onwe anyị bụkwani people. Anyị ejebeghị. We must do a spiritual retreat in Igbo land. We must do spiritual retreat. If you don't do this retreat, the land will burn and destroy to ashes. Because this spirit will come back and still perch. You are still saying the same movement, the same way you fought the war 67. Ijukwa these people then, ndị na champion the war then. Akọwara gị ihe na Wakamoto. Today, our children still reincarnate and still perch in the old tree. Ijukwa again the same question in the past. Ndị agha jukwara ha ji wekpọ ha sabotu agbusie ha. Where are we going from here? They will call you saboteur and kill you. You gotta go. So now, this is spirit that is not buried, these fallen heroes that are crying for justice, they will burn the land to ashes. The only thing ị ga-eme bụ kwewo that road you will close it. Close that road, that waterway, close it. Amadioha will give you everything on this planet Earth. Only one thing Amadioha asks you is to close the waterway. Why did you refuse to close the waterway in 67? You die. Since that time, you deprived yourself Nigerian presidency. You deprive yourself international airport. You deprive yourself seaport. You deprive yourself development. Simple because you open the waterway. Shut down the waterway, buried, because these people that died 67, until you justify their death, you are not going anywhere. Why do they die? Why are we dying today? See, let me tell you, only thing you can achieve, your land will burn, poverty will be, unemployment will be, and the freedom you will not have. Mark my word. You got to go. I am a free man. I give you every right of your own personal view. You have a right, you got to go, to do anything of nature about whether you decide a different view as Igbo person or you decide to go the other way as Igbo person is your right. But don't bring chaos and deceit to the children of the living Most High. No. Our nature, a different country in Nigeria, you can do it honestly. There is no reason why you should lie. There is no reason. Just promise people what you can do. You cannot give what you don't have. You get any here na-enweghị. You got to go. If as an the call they go. All our children chọrọ that side, they should, but not about war, mongering, destruction. You can't get the when we get anything from there. You got to go. You can't. It's your freedom from Nigeria. You can do it. Nobody is stopping you. You can agitate. But for 67 people war, you must say never again why they die. Because none of them know how one day plane begin to invade the land and begin to bomb everybody. Nobody knows what happened. Those people did not inform them. Those people in power did not inform them. They are just in their today now people will go again and say they want to divide Nigeria, they want to separate. Ordinary people don't know anything. And tomorrow now they will come and they will start bombing them. They don't know anything. You tell them to sit at home, they say why? You say because your leader is in prison. Okay, yes. If you do it every Monday, you can't maintain it. If you do it once in a month, maybe you can maintain it. But every Monday is difficult to maintain. You will be the one run away. You will run away. You can't maintain it. Because 1 week is too close. You gotta maintain where. You gotta go. So you gotta maintain that every Monday is very difficult. And the land, because if as you are fighting the forces, Nigerian forces also fighting you. So you two of you will crash and the Igbo land will suffer. The poor, the rich will suffer in that land. Because ritual, you are doing a lot of bloody rituals. Killing, stealing, kidnapping, robbing, all these things we are despised by your ancestors. Look, let me tell you one of the law of your ancestors. One of the law of your ancestors says that no prejudice, no injustice, no tribalism, no racism, no discrimination, no persecution, no witchcraft, no demonology. All these things you do, no black magic, you do all. All these things your ancestors told you they despise, you do. Arụsị simple means karma, nothing more, nothing less. Why you see those image or object is because of meditation. When your ancestors are dying, there is no library, no book, then put the information in those artifacts. Nothing more, nothing less. Iburu artifact apịrị efe. Ịchụ aja simple means to bring your goods in the market. is information. I were ewu na ọkụkọ tinye efere buru bịa n'ime ahịa dosa na ya, no gain nothing. If you come there 20 years time, the bottle of Fanta stay there, my baby stay there, nobody take it, nobody drink it. So you use your money to go and buy Fanta to put on nobody. Fanta dịkwa ebe ahụ, ọ ka dịkwa there. If you like, you go there after 20 years, the Fanta is there to show you that this doesn't make any sense. You got to go. So the most important thing is spiritual retreat. Spiritually about Igbo no. It's about fasting and praying for complete 1 month. Every Saturday you fast. Every Saturday you fast. And say never again. A month fasting. Every Saturday fasting. 6 to 12. 6 to 12. 1 month. And say never again. And shut down that waterway. Stop that movement. You will see things will change. Stop the movement. Things will change. You will have job. I promise you. Stop the movement. You will see development in the land. You will see job for the youth. Stop that movement. Stop it. Nobody is against your agitation. Nobody. But it's the way you are doing it. You are making it like it's a fire. Like nobody is against you. Nobody. Government is not a development. Development is driven by private sector. Nigeria standard is not standard because they don't have their traditional education, traditional justice, traditional government. They don't have. So this is Western European culture. They don't understand it. That's why the government is not doing well. You know it. Simple. They are not doing well because they don't understand. You also are not doing well because you don't understand also. That's why you are fighting each other. It's not about fight. It's not time to fight. Igbo means universe. No prejudice, no injustice, no tribalism, no racism. Let us move forward. Ka anyị rapụ n'ụnyaahụ. Let's make peace with the past and move to future. Let us make peace with the past and move to future. We cannot go anywhere fighting the past. It doesn't work. Ihe anyị na ebe ahụ for progress, progressive union, progressive movement. Igbo progressive union. Ihe anyị bụ ndozi ọdịnala Igbo progressive union. Simple as ABCD. Anyị bịa for job creation, development, enlightenment. So all nature, if you want good, come to us. If you want better Igbo land, come to us. If you want Igbo be Igbo, come to us. If you want to build ala Igbo, come to us. If you want to destabilize Igbo land, don't come. If you want war, don't come. Ihe anyị ma wo the builders. You got to go. Ihe anyị wo mind builders. We will build Igbo land up to standard. You got to go. If you like, you agree. If you like, you don't agree. When the world Amadioha is creating life, you are not there. Amadioha did not take any excuse from you to create any life. No. You are landlord in your house. You take any decision in your house, in your job place, in your workplace. You got to go. So Amadioha create life. So Amadioha also have right to decide anything. Every ọbụla i mere, a sị na arụsị anaghị eje mba awa afa. Arụsị ụkama, arụsị anaghị eje mba awa afa. O metere iwere isi eburu. Ihe ọbụla i metere ị ga-eje esi gị ibu. Ego anaghị akpata, atụrụ anaghị akpata akpa n'afọ ego. You got to go. So the best thing for you bụ nwee isi oyi, cool down. If you like what we do, bịa anyị akụziri gị akwụkwọ. Anyị kụzisiere gị akwụkwọ, then if you like, you can be employed. But all this criminality, it cannot take you anywhere. Ogbu mmadụ na mma, ogbe na egbe, mara amara. And if you die, you will still come back because enwere ike na next time amụzie gị na Borno ọ fịazie gị ezigbo ahụ. Aka mụ gị na ala Igbo na-aba mba. Ịnwetazie onwe gị next life in Borno, gị na Boko Haram emebezi ọgụ, ọ dịzie tu ọwụzie worst. So the best thing bụ ka anyị kwagodi n'ozu. Anyị kwa n'ozu nwụrụ. Ọ bụrụ just come out to 31st, 30th May, I'll give you. No, that you are wasting your time in 30th May. As long as you keep on doing what killed those people in 37, 30th May useless. The only way you rest a soul in peace is to say never again. That's why in the West, somebody they must found justice why this person die. Justice must prevail. Na ọnụ Igbo, flag ahụrụ na afọ means ogu na ọfọ, equity and justice. If you want justice, you must come with equity. If you want justice ọfọ, you must come with equity ogu. If not, you are going. If you nowhere. If you want equity, if you want justice, you must come with equity. Period. So if you want 30th May to be relevant, you must say no, never again to what killed those people at the first place. Period. If you continue doing it, giving more lives, and you are celebrating 30th May, just like onye rere nkịta goro enwe. Simple. It's just like onye rere nkịta goro enwe. That's all. So if you want ịchọ ha ana ka ala Igbo dị mma, the only one thing, close the waterway. Period. Then we focus on development. In 10 years, anya build ala Igbo or Japan. If you make noise, bring war, there will be no foreign investors. Rich men will not invest in Igbo land. Simple. So use your brain. Use your brain. If you bring war, you will suffer. Rich man can go to Abuja to establish business. Rich man can go to Lagos to establish business. Rich man can go to Ghana, anywhere, to establish his business. You are a poor man, you are there. You are not going to establish anything. You cannot invest anything. You cannot invent anything. So the only person that will suffer is you, not rich man. Rich man is safe in Abuja, safe in Lagos, safe in Ghana, safe in Cotonou, safe in everywhere. You are the one suffering. So if you carrying gun and disturbing the peace, you will suffer. Suffer till thy kingdom come. So use your brain, give peace a chance. So the land will give you also a chance. That's all. So maybe ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma ka anyị kwa na ozu make a spiritual retreat so that we can say never again. Pay homage to our dead heroes. Say never again. You don't continue doing the same thing and saying never again is a lie. Ya dịrị unu na mma nwe ibe.